Hi, welcome to Ninja Monkey Vlogmas day number 3, and I'm here with Bianca in Binky's kitchen, and she makes all sorts of like artisan homemade
chocolates and jams
and all cheeses and all sorts of things like that, and she sells them in the Christmas market. So hopefully I'll be able to go to the Christmas market and check that out also, maybe help her out or something.
yeah.
So what are we making today?
Okay, we're going to make some strawberry chocolate hearts.
Strawberry chocolate hearts. So apparently this is a little bit difficult. It's tempered chocolate. Apparently it's a little bit fidgety, you know this?
Yeah.
So explain what tempering chocolate is.
Okay, so it's tempering pre-crystallizing chocolate. Good chocolate has a very high cocoa butter content. So you are trying to cool the chocolate in a way so that when it sets, the cocoa butter it sets in a way so that you can get the chocolate so it's shiny, it's got a good snap. It'll be glossy, it won't melt when you touch it, but it'll melt in the mouth.
Okay, I didn't know that.
That's the difference between good chocolate and not.
And how do you get it tempered? What do you have to do?
You've got to
good quality chocolate, no? First of all,
yeah, good quality chocolate, high cocoa butter content. You've got to. It's a process involving heating to a certain temperature, cooling to a certain temperature, and then heating a little bit again within a certain time frame, and always with movement. She
has the most amazing gadget I'm going to show you right now. It's a thermometer.
Infrared
thermometer, and basically she points it at like whatever she's that's pretty cool, I think. Like at the end, what are they? You said that you wrap them up in what?
They are cellophane. Cellophane. It's made of cellulose.
Cellulose.
Yeah.
What's
the equivalent? It's from plant material instead of plastic.
But it's transparent.
Yeah, it's transparent. It has to be sealed because we need to. I mean, this needs, even though it sets, it needs kind of maybe overnight in a certain temperature, just so it finishes the process of setting correctly. And then once I pop it out, it has to be covered immediately, so it's not exposed to heat or light or dust or anything else.
People might not realize when people sell things like in stores that it's not like a store-bought thing. They've actually had to, spend hours making everything, gone out, bought the product, sourced the product from Belgium, she's telling me, You probably get all the amount of hours and the money that you make out of it, divided by the hours, you probably make peanuts, So
you do it because you love it.
Yeah, definitely.
It's a labor of love.
Yeah, and it's also Christmassy.
Yay! And
Christmas
chocolate,
around the corner.
It's chocolate.
Yeah, chocolate. And I had a question. That's why is it pink? I wanted to ask you from the beginning.
Okay, this is, I have added a little bit of colouring. It's a natural colouring.
Okay.
And a little bit of flavouring. This actually is a mix of white chocolate and the new ruby chocolate. The real deal.
Ruby chocolate?
Yeah. It's a new,
and what's new about it?
It's a new kind of chocolate. It's from the ruby cocoa bean. Naturally pink. It's not coloured or
they look like dog treats.
Yeah.
Okay, so she's been painting the chocolate.
Yeah,
no,
give it a bit of
some
detail.
kind of dust, no?
Yep, it's an edible luster dust. There we go.
And this is what we've made. Well, this is what she's made, not what we've made.
You can take the credit.
Really, really nice. Yeah. This one is?
That one is white chocolate, sprinkles and cranberries.
And cranberries. Wow. Impressive. And this is what we've made right now. And I think that... Yes. And you can see I've just taken the film off. And it makes a chocolate lollipop. But this was Vlogmas day 3. And it's been loads of fun. Christmas is coming.
Yeah.
Winter has come. Christmas is coming. So yeah, anyway, if you like this video, then don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that notification ding dong button to keep up to date with my videos. Don't forget to like and comment. Check out, I put a link to her Facebook, anyway, her Facebook page. So if you are from Gibraltar or the area surrounding Gibraltar, you might want to check out her stuff. And if you're from abroad, you know, why not check it out also? Maybe you can write a nice comment. So yeah, thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you, Binky.
Thank you very much.
Bye.
Bye.